Amina. Okay. How many seconds is next? 3 seconds from Sister Amina. Next. Next. What is your name? What is your name? Nancy. Binay? Okay. Alright, now you have to put more sounds on as you can. 1, 2, 3, go. Alberto Moga. Alright. How many seconds is this? 9 seconds from Nancy. Thank you very much. Now, sister, it's your turn.
Dito kayo.
You can run the time. Come here. Okay. Oh, no, it's okay. Just try happy birthday, Mosa. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Mosa. Alright, what's your name, sister? Name? Mara. Mara, thank you very much. How many seconds is this? 6 seconds. Okay, now let's do this to our one sister also. The Nana of Mosa. Okay, what is your name? Ganda. Ganda, are you ready to put her